Round 2. The steps are the same, but the game is different. Now, we introduce the shortcut to scale: collaboration. In Round 2, players can choose to collaborate on their product or marketing strategy. If you pair up, you don't compete, you combine. Read the protocol. If a player or team chooses to collaborate, both must split the revenue earned in that round evenly. 50-50. No exceptions. Why split? Because 50% of a deal that scales to the moon is worth far more than 100% of a deal that never starts, because you lacked the capital or the connection. Luna has the who. Celeste has the how. By bridging the connection, they unlock velocity. Secrecy is for the hollows. Velocity is for the pack. They share the asset. They split the win. Both players eat. This is how the zero-sum game dies. Stop hoarding. Start planting. In the next tutorial, we look at the high-stakes world of alliances and investing. The game is infinite.